Today I am going to show you how to cut cauliflower for cauliflower Manchurian or the Gobi Manchurian. Let us start. This is a flower. I have nicely washed it thoroughly. It is comparatively a big cauliflower. Now this is with the stalk. Now I will slowly start showing you how to start cutting. First of all, we have to discard the stalk portion. When we just cut it, it comes off like this, and then we have to make sure that all the stalk portion is totally removed. By rotating it like this, everything can be removed. Now we are left out with the center portion and the flower region. Now slowly, by rotating the cauliflower, we'll try to separate the in a rotative movement. Start cutting the big florets like this. Yes, now we have all these big florets in the hand. Now what we have to do is just note the size of the florets you want them to be for preparing the Manchurian, smaller or bigger, and then start separating the florets like this. Cut the stalk portion of the, now you can see that each one is separated like this. Now it is very easy for us to separate the florets into the desired shape and size. In this way, you can start separating them. This is the usual size of the Gobi Manchurian. Now you can see the cauliflower is ready for making the Gobi Manchurian or the cauliflower Manchurian.